Imagine a world where you can make money just by talking or texting. Imagine a world where your side hustle doesn't require any technical skills or previous experience. Welcome to that world. I'm Brian, and today I'll guide you through a brand new effortless side hustle perfect for everyday workers with strong English skills. This opportunity allows you to work as a remote closer or appointment setter for top online brands. All you need is a phone and fluent English when talking or sending messages. Step 1 is to familiarize yourself with the brand you'll be representing. Understand their products, services, and values. This knowledge enables you to communicate effectively with potential clients. The second step is to set up your work environment. Ensure you have a quiet space to make calls and a reliable internet connection for sending messages. Step 3 is to prepare yourself mentally. Being a remote closer or appointment setter requires a positive attitude and excellent communication skills. Remember, you're the first point of contact for the brand you're representing. Step 4 is to start reaching out. Make calls, send texts, set appointments. The more you reach out, the more opportunities you create for the brand and for yourself. The final step is to keep track of your progress. Record your calls and texts, monitor your success rate, and always be open to learning and improving. Now, wouldn't you like to start living from location-free work on your own time limits? Imagine the freedom, the flexibility, and the earning potential. If this sounds like your kind of side hustle, then don't wait any longer. Remember, this opportunity is perfect for everyday workers looking for an easy, effortless way to earn extra money. It's time to turn your strong English skills into a profitable side hustle. I hope you enjoyed learning about this unique opportunity. If so, it would mean the world if you could like and share this video. And if you're ready to dive in and start your journey as a remote closer or appointment setter, click the link below. This is your chance to start earning money by simply talking or texting. Don't let it pass you by.